Hello, my name is Jax Long.
And I'm TheScholarsNYC.
Today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons celebrating Christmas in school. What are your thoughts on Christmas?
I personally like Christmas. It's one of the most wonderful times of the year. I love spending time with my family and friends. I love decorating my Christmas tree and house. We also love to bake Christmas cookies. What about you, Jax?
Me too. I've always loved the atmosphere of Christmas. I like to sing Christmas carols and watch Christmas movies. However, it is pretty hard deciding the debate whether Christmas should be allowed in schools worldwide. I do believe that Christmas should be celebrated in schools.
Same here, buddy, but I believe that Christmas shouldn't be celebrated in schools because of the way it could make students feel that they don't celebrate it, because it could cause bullying and make students feel upset.
While I do understand your opinion and reason behind it, on the other hand, Christmas at school could help kids express their emotions for these holidays. They could share how they celebrate Christmas and spread kindness throughout all the students.
I don't really agree with your opinion because of the stress and pressure schools can have from Christmas. Each year, Christmas toys and decorations alone can be stressful. $1.5 trillion is spent on Christmas, and we should not bring that to schools.
Christmas at school can spread awareness for different cultures. It can embrace how others celebrate holidays, showing that everyone, no matter what, should be treated with kindness and respect.
I do understand that, but Christmas isn't celebrated in certain countries like Algeria, China, and Afghanistan, and many more. Also, some people in the U.S. still celebrate it according to their cultures.
However, Christmas can show respect for all classmates and gives understanding between those of different backgrounds. Celebrating holidays like this welcomes other people from different heritages. Also, that in my opinion, Christmas in schools could give a feeling that all holidays can be celebrated, even though it's not factual. I believe that it could help students feel welcomed. You may think it could be disrespectful to students who do not celebrate it, but not just Christmas. If schools celebrated all different kinds of holidays, it helps keep their students who work there and students strong and can build respect between the entire school together.
You know what? After all of that, I think that schools should celebrate Christmas. I realize that students should be able to celebrate Christmas in classes due to the benefits of celebrating holidays in classrooms and schools.
I'm Jax Long.
And I'm TheScholarsNYC.
Merry Christmas.